Alright guys, so we are turning the Audi into a truck. Instead of buying the kit, we're gonna make the kit ourselves. But we made our first cut here. We're all the way through.
Actually, look at that tripod.
And then we're all the way through on the inside.
We're just gonna shrink it down.
So we're gonna cut the other side. Cut the roof here. I'm gonna take the windows out, bond these doors on each side, sand them down smooth, delete these, and then fabricate the back glass and then the bed. But the goal is to drive it to Eurofest. Right, Aiden?
Oh yeah. Hold what? The level.
So.
Hold it as close as you can to line up there. You might have to come. Fuck. Here, I'll hold it. George, you're right, no way.
Fucking dumbass.
Hey, you know. I had to go to summer school 6 times in a row.
This is Gary Nades.
Chain link.
Yep. Almost got her all cut. Show 'em, Aiden.
Oh.
I guess like 4.5 chain length.
Look at him.
About 4.5 chain length.
Oh, nice, nice.
Are you serious? That's not big.
I never said it was. That's what I'm working with, alright?
Damn.
If you can grab the back, I can.
Alright, we got her all cut. Bless you, bitch. Now we shall take off. Ready?
Yep.
Still caught already.
Unlock.
Metal, metal.
This is awesome, man. This is awesome. Let it go. Oh, yeah, you're fine. Just let it go. Dude, we made the Audi truck, huh, boys? We did it.
He's gonna be like, what the fuck? Alright, give it a lift up.
Yep. Everyone grab a side. Grab the camera, Aiden. I can handle it.
You want me to grab it?
Aiden can get it.
Well, I'm closer to it.
Grab it, Aiden.
That
Go,
works.
George. Follow us.
You're going after fucking bike.
Good work, fellas. Yo, hold it sideways.
Free roof and windshield if anybody wants it.
Or else
Not free, but cheap.
So, cutting out the back window area to go here. And I'm gonna put a little piece in here. I left the seals so I can just slip plexiglass in there. And then I got this on to start the truck bed. I'm gonna use the last of this stuff to kind of go over here. But it's starting to take shape. Don't mind the headliner and stuff. I'm gonna clean that all up once I get the sheet on. Yeah, so doing it. I'm gonna delete the handles, stitch up the door seams, put some Bondo over it. It's kind of like a budget Ute kit. But I don't know, I think it's cool because I'm building it myself for cheap. But yeah, so. Yep, she's getting there. Got the back glass all mocked up. Got my side window made. I got seam sealer, black seam sealer that. weld it here and tack it up in here. Make a little triangle piece. Alright, so I cut the trunk. So that's that. Took the door handles out. Oh yeah, I got the back piece all made. Took the door handles out, gonna put some sheets in there, make that smooth, get the door seam smooth. But yeah, I have like $100 into this. But the sheets are the same width as the side windows, so that just slid right in. So once it's all done, I'm gonna cut holes, put a little plexiglass in there. Might go to the junkyard today and get something for this. But yeah. Alright, so I welded the doors, ground that smooth, and I welded around the sides, stitched it up here. I still gotta weld this all up, but I wanted to get this done first. I gotta make a plate to go in here and make that smooth, but it kinda is coming together here. Because, the door isn't gonna look like the door anymore. It's gonna be like the box. So, yeah. And then I'm gonna finish this. I just wanted to give you guys an update. I got a couple layers of filler. I'm gonna do another layer. Sand this all down, do another layer. Do that, and then get this side all done. Go to the next side. But it's starting to take shape, which is pretty cool. So yeah. Alright, so the last layer is on. Gonna sand that down. But you guys kind of get the idea now. This is like super budget. And I don't really have an idea here. I'm just kind of doing it. If that makes sense. But I molded it into this so that kind of stays with the bed. This I seam sealed. I'm gonna do one more layer of it, butter it up. So this is almost done. I gotta weld across this, stitch this up. But yeah, got the first layer, a little bit of the first layer on over here. So yeah. Alright, so I got this all sanded up and primed. Side. Looks pretty cool. So I'm going to start at this side. I gotta make the patch stuff. I'm gonna flip it around or turn it around. And I'm gonna weld this shit up. But yeah, kinda looks badass, dude. How about that?